Morning, wrestlers. I am putting you guys to work today. So if you look in the Google Classroom, you have an assignment due, so you can earn your 50 points. So you guys each have to do one of the following. If there's something that's on here that's not listed, well, if you want to do a workout that's not listed on here, feel free to do that workout, but you have to do it 50 times, and you have to turn the video by the end of the day for 50 points. Yes, and you have to work to earn your grade. So anyhow, you can do sprawls, jumping jacks, planks, push-ups, skies, sit-ups, leg lifts, shots, stand-ups, prisoners, mountain climbers, or plank prisoners, okay? So if there's something on here that, actually if you have a workout in mind that's not on here, you can do a recording of that and make sure you turn it in, short video. Do it 50 times, and I just need you to record the last 20 seconds of your workout. Okay? Make sure you turn it in under the assignment in the Google Classroom. Oh, I don't have a page there, so here's your assignment for today. Week 13 workout. Or Monday, or Tuesday, April 7th, and it's worth 50 points. Yes, you need to earn your grade, boys and girls. Right, so make sure you turn it in today. There's workout. It's due today. And it's worth 50 points. Oops. Alright, so make sure you post at the end of the day so I can grade you. Alright, good luck. Enjoy your day. If you have any questions, text, email, or call me.